How to download GTA Vice City in laptop. So if you want to download GTA Vice City in your laptop, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Steam, and you need to go with the website, which is store.steampower.com. And here you will have install Steam option. You just need to simply go and install the Steam. After installing, you can open up your Steam application. After installing, you will have this kind of interface, the application. So you just need to simply click on the application and open up the Steam. Go with yes. After opening your Steam, you just need to simply go with search. And under search, you need to search for GTA Vice City. After searching, here you will have your GTA Vice City. So you just need to simply go and select any game that you're comfortable with. So select the GTA. For example, I'll go with San Andreas. Once you've selected, now here you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to simply enter your date of birth. So make sure you've entered the correct date of birth and then go with view page. And here you need to scroll down and you will have an option to add to cart, and you need to buy the game, because without buying the game you won't be able to download or you won't be able to play the game. So first you need to make sure that you buy the game. So go with add to cart or go with the payment method and then buy the game. After buying, you'll be able to download that, and after installing you'll be able to play the game. So that's how you can download, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.